Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tips Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about VidIQ tutorial, unleashing the power of VidIQ, how to use VidIQ tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, if you're looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is perfect for you. Click the link in the description box below to kickstart your journey in VidIQ absolutely for free. Now, like I said, we will be discussing about VidIQ, and this is a tool a lot of people use for their YouTube channel. VidIQ will assist you on many things that will handle and improve your channel. And as you can see already on a quick glimpse on our dashboard right now, all of the features, almost everything on our screen are going to be related to your channel. So let's give us a quick tour of our dashboard over here. Over here right now, we have our daily task. And this is like the to-do list for setting up our IQ or VidIQ. As you can see, we have connected our YouTube channel, which is step 1. And our step 2 is to add our goal for our personal growth. Over here on the right side, we have our monetization tracker. Basically tracks our monetization. It counts how many subscribers we have and how many watch time we have earned. This is for our monetization. Like I said, if we achieve this, we will be able to start earning money with our YouTube channel. So this is a great way to monitor it as well. It's a bit of hard time to monitor our watch time actually without any tool. And aside from that, we also have our growth plan progress over here on the right side. You have your foundation, master algorithm, attract viewers, amass viewers, captivate viewers, and engage viewers over here. As you can see, you also have this daily video ideas over here inspired by AI, and we will be able to view this later on. Let's first explore our part over here. You also have your today's growth plan over here, and there's like a video presentation for this parts over here. So if you would like to learn the key for YouTube success, you can simply watch this. This is a very useful tool, especially for a beginning YouTuber or a beginning YouTube channel. This tool will improve or help you manage everything going on with your channel, give you ideas on what you need to do, help you build your channel, and this tool will be there for you all along the way. Now let's do one of our daily tasks. Actually, let's click on our personal growth over here, add your goal, and we will be able to see and understand how we will be able to set goals in VidIQ. So we selected it earlier in our dashboard. Now simply click on next. We notice that our channel is not yet monetized. Yes, we haven't monetized it because it's a new channel, and as you can see, it's asking us if we're interested in getting our channel monetized. And as you can see, it will set us up with a special lesson plan to focus on monetization. So depending on our answer over here, it will set up the way our VidIQ would work. So let's say I would like to, of course, monetize our channel. Then as you can see, it will ask us to set another goal. So we could either choose from get to 5 views or get to 5 subscribers. Let's say I would like to have 5 views, and it will predict that we will be able to reach this by next year by following our plan. So it's a bit low, but let's trust the process. Click on next, and there we go. We have a heart, which will ask us to produce 2 quality videos per month. We will be able to achieve 5 views by doing this, and there's 5 to 15 minutes per day with VidIQ. You're going to have to spend that much time learning and other stuff. You have the super hard. You're going to have to produce 4 quality videos. And for the go all out, you will be able to do the 8 quality videos per month over here. So let's say I would like to go with the hard one for now. Then click on next and click on done. Now that's like the basic setup with VidIQ. Now everything will be in motion. As you can see, you have your daily tasks starting now, like starting your new channel. You now have your reach 5 views tool over here on the right side. You have your post for video plan over here and all of this stuff. And let's go check our daily ideas over here. Daily ideas is basically for generating ideas on what you should generate or produce a video on. And as you can see, customized ideas, English only, are updated daily based on your customization here. Personalized idea are updated daily based on your channel. So, okay, I get it. Then over here, simply enter a keyword. So let's say I would like to create topics about Canva. And so click on apply, and it will generate us customized ideas on what we should create a video on. And as you can see, we have idea over here, 20 awesome Canva graphics that you could use today, how to use Canva's image frame and grid features, or 30 unique graphic design ideas for Canva. And there's a lot more, but we won't be able to see it. But to be able to see everything, we would need to upgrade it, which we will check out later. And as you can see, we'll be able to see like the trending over here as well. The first version or the first topic is very high right now, meaning it's very trending. A lot of people are watching that type of topic. We also have high over here and medium. And aside from that, there's other things that we will be able to see on our screen. I think it's better to upgrade your plan if you are, or if you have extra funds to buy an upgraded version, because the benefit that you will be able to receive from VidIq is very big, and you will be able to use a lot of the features that will help you build your YouTube channel much more. And aside from this, you can also check out your AI generator over here. AI content generator for YouTube. This is in beta. So let's say create a YouTube video about pyramid. You can click on go, and as you can see, it will generate like the title, the description, the keywords, thumbnail backgrounds, video script, voiceover. It's a very useful tool, and as you can see, you already have your script over here, and you have your thumbnail backgrounds over here. This is a very useful tool. You could use this to interact with other types of videos or other platforms out there like Clipchamp. You could integrate this and make them work together, and it's a very useful platform that we, especially if you're starting out and you don't really know what to do, you will be able to see all these features, and it's a very useful platform. Then you also have your voice over here. So when I play this,
Welcome to the Secrets of Pyramids Unveiled.
you can see you have a very AI nice voiceover, and you can build all of this. As you can see, you could download all this type of videos and backgrounds that VidIq has, and you will be able to build your YouTube channel. There's also keyword generators over here that you could use. This is a very useful tool as well to gaining a lot of views. Keywords are very important for getting a lot of clicks, getting a lot of views, or getting found out in YouTube. You can also check out your competitors over here, like the views, subscribers, public videos. It's like comparing your performance with other competitors, other YouTubers out there. If you do find a competitor that you would like to compete against, you will be able to see like your progress side by side versus you and that person. And there's also subscribers over here. You will be able to analyze your subscribers. You have your SEO. You have your max over here. As you can see, recorded sessions. You can see here. And that's basically it. You can also download an extension for VidIq over here. As you can see, this extension will allow us to do all of these things that you are seeing right now. You can click on read more, and basically it's an extension of the VidIq where you will be able to use the different features without having to open the actual website over here. And for the plans for VidIq, as you can see, you have your monthly over here, the one-on-one coaching, which will cost you $99. The most popular right now, which is Boost, we have $49 per month. Then for the Pro version, you have the $10 per month. The cheapest one is the $10 per month, as you can see here. And if you upgrade to Pro, you will be able to have 10 daily video ideas, keyword research, and all of these other features over here. Of course, the better your plan, the more features that you have, as you can see here. And aside from that, the annual will be a different price. You have the 7.5, the $39, and $99 over here. And you can simply upgrade them to be able to access and use them. And those are the different features of VidIq. Even though you don't, or even if you don't apply for a plan, you will still be able to use a lot of the features that are very important, and especially the monitoring of monetization. That's very useful for VidIQ. So that's basically it. That is how you will be able to use and explore the different features of VidIQ as a beginner. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.